Yes, people, I've been having a little bit of technical support. Don't know what's going on, but cheers. Welcome to Talk and Drink reality show. I'm Miss Sam, your host. And usually I do Talk and Drink on a weekend, Friday or Saturday, but today's Wednesday. Don't give a toss. I feel for a little drink and I feel to conversate. Just took a shower, feel nice and fresh. And I'm just relaxing. So welcome everybody. And for those who it's your first time, thank you. Thank you for checking out Talk and Drink Reality Talk Show. I'd like to request for everybody, all my Facebook fans, to go on YouTube, of course, and subscribe at MSE TV Network. There's plenty of valuable content. If you want movies, we've got it. We just put out 2 movies last weekend. One from Germany called Surviving the Pandemic. It's a series and people want more. So we're going to do another series. Then we have The Voodoo Husband that is out. Our Nigerian team from Africa done a wonderful job. Go check it out. And there's plenty of contents, plenty of movies from all over the world. Jamaica, America, you name it, we got it. So check it out. Trinidad, everything. Okay? So big up yourself to all the teams, and I want to welcome a new team that MSC TV Network has under their belt right now, and it is Sudan, the country of Sudan, and they're getting ready to prepare to do a movie for MSC TV Network, Callywood Movies. Look at God. Anyway, let me take a sip. Now, you know I got the bigger glass tonight. That means my mouth is not going to have no filter tonight because me have a whole bottle of champagne. And I'm hoping to finish it because me want to talk. Welcome everybody. Big up yourself. Mishka, me see you. Everybody. Who else is there? Because you know, some me blind without my glasses. Miss Brown. Miss Brown, I'm gonna have to watch my mouth then if you're on my bloody Talk and Drink. What you doing on my Talk and Drink? Big up yourself. Love it. Anyway, bring them on camera. Let me see. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see if it will work. I'm hoping. Mishka, I'm gonna try add. And I'm gonna try already a guest. Bring them on camera. I am trying to bring you guys on camera. But, you know, they receive an invite ad. They're already a guest. Check your camera, Mishka. And let me try the other one. Oh, it says adding, so I'm not sure who's going to add, because sometimes it adds and sometimes it doesn't. So let's see what's down here. Let me press the approve. Okay, approve, Mishka. Right now. One love, sister. Yes to you too. What you drink? You know, Jesus did turn the water into wine, so you can have a little wine or a little champagne. It ain't gonna hurt. Or non-alcoholic wine. Or a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. I want you to listen to this one because let me tell you something. I'm going to be on a roll. Let me take the first sip. And I don't even put ice in champagne, but it was a little bit warm. And I wanted it cool. So yes, big up everybody, sending lots of love and hearts. Well, where should I start today? Papa Jesus, help me, Father, because we're going to be on a road tonight. Everybody, get your drinks ready. We're going to chat. We're going to labrish. Anyway, we want to start off with this dirty vaccine. What them want everybody to take. Not me, not me. Me I take the Holy Ghost vaccine. That are the vaccine. Me say I'm gonna take me now. Take no devil vaccine in my veins. Right. Cheers to that. Some of you guys just running out there and just putting in these chemicals in your body, and you don't know whether it can do anything. You don't know whether it has a DNA in it to turn you into idiot. But quite all right. I'm gonna keep on a vaccine. Me, I keep safe by wearing my mask and staying away from people who are virus them themselves to us. Jesus, me just a warm up, you know. Me just a warm up. Help me, please. Hey, cause the flight are gonna take off tonight. Right. I'm not really worried about coronavirus, whatever virus, mutation virus, whatever virus it is. In Jesus' name, I'm covered under the blood of the Lamb. You have 2 stiff drink and you're good. And you stay prayed up under the blood of Jesus. You're fine. Well, the virus now, when me freed up, and the dirty people where affect me right now. Them is virus. I said it kiss me ass. Don't care another drink at all neither. Because this is the first cup. The first cup. Wait till me get to glass 2 and glass 3 and 4. Burial, me say. That is the virus I'm afraid of. The jealous son of a people them come here try clean up my life. Me all have Christian for me talk and drink, so me have to be careful. Me no want get them in a trouble and them have to go read Psalms 1, 2, Psalms 50 or 150. I don't want to be a bad influence. I want to be a good influence. But tonight, Papa Jesus, if me say something when I write, me will say how much Hail Marys, chant, jump, rope on ground, whatever me have to do. You understand? Because now my heart heavy. You know what I don't like? When you're trying to help somebody and you mean them well and you appreciate them and you love them, then them a draw a bad card. You see, Bob Marley was a prophet. Not care what nobody say, you know. Remember the song what Bob Marley did sing? What make you draw a bad card? What make you draw a bad card? Some of them are draw bad cards. Eh? And I wear bad drawers. Eh? Let me drink up. Cheers. I'm not drinking up because I don't like drink by myself. If anybody thinks, hey, boss lady Miss Sam is any idiot, Papa Jesus forgive me, come in, I have on the drawers tonight, you know. Me not have on no drawers. Help me, Holy Ghost, and your Archangel Michael Gabriel Raphael, because what me want to do tonight, you know. Me sure me will regret it in the morning, but let me tell you something, and I hope you watch it. I don't like envious people. I don't like jealous people. I don't like people who don't want to see other people succeed and get somewhere in life. When you see somebody trying to help somebody, come out of the room with the part. When you see somebody trying to help somebody and elevate somebody, move out of them way and let them do what God has ordained them to do. So if you all who know haters, we're jealous of Miss Sam and the production. Me I tell you, because it a come from me, because me are the boss lady. Kiss me ass, kiss me ass, kiss me ass, kiss me ass.
And you're lucky at just that you get, because me I tell you what me really want to do. You understand? It show on me ass. Right. Me dip on one. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Una dead with laugh. Una dead with laugh. Eh? Tickle my tits till Friday. Kiss me ass. Right. Then you have some people, they see that you're doing good and everything, and then wonder, how the hell Mr. manage to know all these people all over the world. And by the way, we have 3 more countries. Look at that. We have 29 countries now. Look at God. Korea online. Sudan online. Huh? And Gambia is on board. Leave God people and his good workers to do the work. Because some of them not even, let me tell Jesus, some of them not even have no common sense and no creativity. What them do is screw up and come in amongst the sheep, and then is wolves. You hear me? Cheers. And everybody you must feel sorry for and have them around you. And everybody. Why the hell some of these friggin' wolves won't come take away my cubs? What God give me? Kiss me ass. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. I am overprotective over my production and over my people. When I try to elevate and help them, someone will talk pure shit and I gotta do this for them, do that for them, and I even blood clot have dry shit in the back to you all. I said it, what the hell you can do? Cause you can't do me nothing. Cause me protected by the Most High. Jah Rastafari, so I see I ever live it ever faithful. What? When I deal with a warrior right now, I mean, I care, I'm not take back no chat, no dog bark. Whoa, bitch, you know? You don't think the spirit gonna show me certain things? The spirit show me certain things. Sometimes he says some certain things and do certain things. And I say, what am I doing that for? Everything's all right. But my spirit that lives within me, go take up on a Bible. Oh, they're not even know the Bible. Oh, they're not even know the blood clot self. Know thyself. I come to decapitate every wolf tonight that come in my presence. Clean off the head. Clean. And our business, don't mess with me. I've worked too hard to be where I'm at today. And guess what? I haven't reached anywhere yet. Wait till you see MSE TV network. Wait. Somebody don't know I'm using a Cambrian try con me. Can no mama in a dead grave and a dead granny. Con them and a grandpapa. Con them. Don't try con me. I mean, now keep on my mouth tonight. Me not here. Oh, don't like it, come off my fucking life. Right, people. If it's your first time, I'm so sorry. I'm usually a nice person, but you know, sometimes people get you out and you just got to tell it to them raw. God, please forgive me. Me will pray and beg forgiveness after me recover in the morning. Because, you know, so me the battle I go down tonight. Right, cheers. Wanna get a drink. I just got a few things that I want to get off my chest. It's nothing. So as I said, me not even worry about this here vaccine, yeah. Me more worry about the virus, the people who is actually the walking virus. Come on now, let's talk now. Them just a walk from east and west and I spread them virus with them jealousy and them bad mind. Want come infect people and turn them in a virus too. And before you know it, you have a circle of virus people around you. Well, let me tell you something. Miss some of the antidote. Miss some of the antidote. I'm going to tell you what the antidote consists of. You ready to write, you know? It consists of the Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost, Holy Spirit. You understand? Which give me the spirit of discernment to see who is infectious. But me have the remedy and me have the cure. Come now. Come get your dose. Come get your dose. I got your dose for ya. Stop trying to be me. You can't be me. There's only one Miss Sam. You understand? Right. Me not big up my chest and nothing but it is what it is. And right now tonight, me not care it is what it is. One Bex have heart attack, drop dead. Me not care right now. Because right now, you see, if anybody's in my way to try and stop the work that God has for me, you're getting eliminated spiritually. You understand? Because I always put on the whole armor of God, and I have the breastplate of righteousness, and we have the sword, and we will juke your ass with it, and we will decapitate your head in the spiritual realm. Don't mess with me or any of my people, because we're trying to do good. We're trying to make a positive contribution within society, changing not just the public or the community, but changing the world on a different level, bringing out inner excellence that they have within them. But no, you don't want to see it because you never come up with a vision. It wasn't for you to get, it was for me to get, because God knows that me will fulfill his work and his purpose amongst his children who he has greatness for. Don't fuck with me, because you fuck with me, you're fucking with the wrong one. Me, I tell you that. Me don't want to fake people around me. Me don't want nobody that don't wish me well with what I'm doing to try and elevate people. Because let me tell you something. You think MSE TV is about me getting famous and all of that? No, it's not. It's about helping others. Because when you help others, guess what? That's when the blessings come. And then you can't take me because we're too real. Me too real. Some other just want to go out there and act like one of those big shots. But you know, it's nothing but a Holy Ghost keep on my mouth, please. Me I try, you know, Papa Jesus, me I try. Some of them act like on a big shot and don't know start from butter. And I don't even know no more from a batty hole. Me I tell you. You understand? So behave with yourself. Make this be a warning. Coming afraid, dumping no oofy frightened. And it definitely ain't me, baby, because the harder you push is the harder me push back. So, if you know where you know, you leave me alone. Cheers, people. Let me drink up. Let me drink up. Well, that is a great introduction to Talking Drink. If this is your first time, I do apologize for a little bit of vulgarity and the bad language. I'm not like this all the time, but tonight is the night. This is a reality show, and I'm keeping it bloody real. I'm keeping it real. I wish everybody all the best, all the success. I hope you've had a good week. It's been a great week for me. A little bit, you know, challenging, as you can see, but I am an overcomer, and that's what a lot of people can't take. Sweetheart, when people try to rock your boat and you still stand, they don't know what to do with themselves. Some of them, you catch them out, and they don't even know what to say. Them a stutter. What you stutter for? You stutter. It is what it is. Let me tell you, God started eliminating a lot of people out of my life from last year, and he's going to continue this year. Because where I'm going, some of them don't deserve to go where I'm going. You're going to see some fall to the wayside. But God always send me plenty of people that still have a good heart and still want to make something of them life. So I welcome them. Hello, everybody. You know what? Let me find me little glasses and let me say hi. For those who just come on, oh no, Mr. Little Passa, and the body shaking and everything. Big up yourself, Anthony. Big up yourself, Brooke. I hope you didn't see me shaking my ass. Hi, Stacy. Yes, I hope one didn't see me shaking my ass before. Yeah. I want to big up Brooke Harris. She's the senior director for the Florida team. She's going to be a guest with Gail. Not this weekend, but next weekend, they're coming on Talk and Drink with me. So you'll get to meet them, ask them any questions you want to. She's one of our big top actresses in MSE TV. Watch Brooke in Poison Ivy. She killed it. And watch her in Wolfpack 1. She's a natural. Love you. Mwah. Let me see who else. Let me just knock this back because I was on one. Drink. If you're not at work, drink. Don't like drinking on my own. Okay. Brooke, are you at work or are you at home? Yes. Brooke says she can't wait for the Talk and Drink. Oh, I love you so much, Brooke. Let me tell you about that bitch right there. She's one of the realest friends that I've got in Florida that I can really say is a friend. You understand? Brooke never, ever change. If I don't like something or she don't like something, bet she gonna tell me. Sam, blah, blah, blah. She gonna keep it real with me. And those are the kind of friends that I love and appreciate and want around me. I don't want no fake friends. I don't want no fake friends that say yes to everything, and then when my back is turned, you're putting a knife in my back. Kiss me ass, bend over. You understand what I mean? I want real people. So, Brooke, thank you for keeping it real all these years. Love you. Can't wait to have you on Talk and Drink next week. And we're going to be doing stuff together. You're going to see her more. Yeah. Every minute, me have to put on my glasses. Let me knock this back because I was cussing before. I was on the warpath. You're going to have to replay this Talk and Drink when I finish and watch it from the beginning. You're going to be shocked. You're definitely going to need a drink then. Let me see who else is on. Mishka, you're dying with laugh. Yeah. The people them get me out, man. Don't be fake. This is what this is all about. Don't be fake. Be real with people. Like, I've got some people that go on my WhatsApp status, and I like that. And, you know, they go because they know every day or twice a day they're going to get something on my status that is positive, that is good. And I like it. But there's other people that wasn't going on your status before, and then all of a sudden they're the first one from 7 o'clock. I'm man, and I look funny status. Those are the bitches, and those are the cunts that I watch. Let me tell you something. I am the root. And if a tree don't have no roots, it can't grow. It will die. That's all I'm saying. Don't mess with the root, because the root provide nutrients for that tree to grow, so that branch can grow, so that leaf or that flower can grow. I have a purpose. God has selected me to do something, not for myself, but to enable and empower and advance others. Get the fuck out my way. Get the fuck out of my way. God forgive me. I will say as many Hail Marys as I have to tomorrow, But you know, once I'm having a little drink, I've got to keep it real. Please, let me do what God has ordained me to do. Wish me well, because I wish people well. I want people to grow. I want people to be the best that they can be. I want people to be successful. That's why I sacrifice my life and myself. Oh, sometimes 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock rock. I'm on that phone, editing movies, editing talk shows, implementing certain things. Because I want MSE TV Network, which is performing arts, a global performing arts with 29 countries now. We're growing to succeed, to bring people's excellence in their talent in entertainment, whether they're music artists, whether they can dance, whether they can act, whether they're poets, whatever God gift that they have within themselves. MSE TV Network allows people to do that openly. Doesn't matter what country you're from. Because some people, you know, if you don't have money, nobody not putting you out. You have to have money. With MSE TV, guess what, people? Come as you are. We will take you in. We will give you that exposure. We will put you on another level. There's some music artists that come into MSE TV that never acted before. Now they're one of the biggest. And let me tell you, and not because they're my actors or actress, but they have grown, and I'm proud to see them grow. Most of them call me mom. We have that bond. MSE TV Network is a family. And the revenues are coming. You understand? Yeah. I just want to big up another 2 of my actresses from Jamaica. Big up Stacy. Big up Mishka. Let me tell you about these 2 girls now. Let me start upon them since them I watch. I've adopted them as my daughters. I might not have carried them in my belly for 9 months, but fuck with one of them. I'm sorry for your ass. You understand? They are the backbone of MSE TV Network. They get the work done, they do the training, and they don't play. And let me tell you, I'm so proud that they're one of the best actors in MSE TV Network. Me not talk, I mean not guess, I mean not take back no chat. Them girls can act their ass off. You need to go check out their movie. Both of them is in the same movie, Daddy Girl. Daddy's Girl. You need to go and watch that on MSE TV Network now and subscribe and watch that movie. You will see Mishka Smith and Tanika Johnson, aka Stacy. And they're going to do 2. And part 2 should be coming out next year. You know what I mean? But look for them, the talk show, Woman to Woman. And Brooke, I need to talk to you about that as well, because I got 3 of my actresses and my host in Jamaica that's doing Woman to Woman. And I need you to do Woman to Woman over here. And I need to speak to Amina too, because you 2 can do that here, where you can do it from the comfort of your own home through Skype, or I can film you at my residence, whatever you want to do. You understand what I mean? And I love Woman to Woman because it's empowering for women. Because a lot of us women have been like put on the back burner. You understand? And we have had it pretty difficult during this corona time. There's always somebody calling me. I can't talk to them right now. Always calling me. You understand what I mean? So it's time for us to empower people and empower our women. We are queens. We are empresses. Huh? That's why some people can't take us, because no matter how they try to keep women on the low, we keep on rising high. Cheers to that. Come on, hold up your drinks. I'm saying cheers to all the women all over the world. You're beautiful. Love you back. Love you back. Love you back. And listen, tell all your friends about Talk and Drink. I don't have any set time anymore. I find out that I do better when I go on, when my spirit leads me to go on. But I do go on almost every single week. So it's either going to be Wednesday night or a Friday night or a Saturday night. Just remember, it's either a Wednesday night, a Friday night, or a Saturday night. And sometime when I come on a Wednesday, then I'll go back on a on a Saturday and do a little 10 or 15 minutes. You know what I mean? Because I usually do it on a Saturday. So I don't want to disappoint anyone, you know. But drink up. I'm not going nowhere yet. I calmed down because I was just tracing people. But it's true, I don't like haters. I don't like fake ass bitches. I don't like fake ass men who try to keep women down, you know. But leave people alone. Everybody got a talent. It's what you do with your talent. Don't envy me for what God has given me. You don't know what I had to do to get where I am, and I still haven't gotten anywhere yet. So imagine when I tell a multimillionaire and all my actors then can fly in and out and at the best hotels and money just a run. What are you gonna do then? Gonna go hang on yourself? Well, hang yourself from no. Cheers. Because that's what's gonna happen. I'm going to remember everybody that helped me on this journey, and I'm going to remember everybody that tried to block me on this journey. Real talk there. Cheers. I wonder what some of you text me, and I'm curious. Miss Sam always drinking champagne. Let me put on my glasses. What are you guys drinking tonight? Type and let me see what you guys are drinking tonight. Cheers, Brooke. What you guys are drinking tonight? I want to know what you guys are drinking. Come on. Let me know. Somebody want to come on? Let me see. Who won't come on? Hold on a minute. Let me see who won't come on. Hi, Sandy. How you doing? How you doing? I'm trying to get Mishka on. How you doing? Wine cooler. I should have known. Well, you better drink some champagne with me next week when we do Talk and Drink, because wine cooler ain't going to do it, baby. I just want to welcome everybody to MSE TV Network. I want to welcome you to Talk and Drink tonight. I started very harsh on a roll because I had some truths to get out there. But I know you guys were well entertained. I know that. And I just want to encourage everybody to go over to my Instagram at MSE TV Network. Everything is there that we do. Movies, plays, comedies, talk show, music, everything is there. Subscribe, and also go on our YouTube channel, which is doing pretty well right now. Subscribe. It's MSE, which stands for Miss Sam Entertainment TV Network. We are a global performing arts center. All right, and we network with all entertainers. Let's see who's there. Hi, Michael. How you doing? Cognac. That's good, and it's smooth. I'm glad. Stacy drinking Magnum. Yeah, that's what I like to hear. Who else? I want to know what everybody is drinking, because Miss Sam don't like drinking by herself. Now let's talk about relationships. Let's talk. Let's change the subject now. Let's uplift our spirit. Let's talk about relationships now. For those who don't know, I've been married 4 times. Too many. Yeah, 4 times. Can you believe that shit? And not one of the 4. Not one of the 4. And up to 1. I got to laugh about it, you know. But I've grown. I've learned some lessons from it. I'm stronger for it. You know, and this a little last one, boy. This a little last ass one hard for budge. Me I try budge this a little short ass one. Because I know some have something up on my sleep, but guess what? Me some have something up my sleep too. Cheers. Mishka, you're dead with laugh? I mean to tell you. Now, women, we have to put value on ourselves when we're choosing a partner. We have to stop settling for less. I don't care how old you are. Oh, Lord God, me, I forget the age now, Lord. Me, I'm 54 now. I'm 5'4", 54. In May, if my life's spare, I'll be 55 years old. And the young Thai boy, them a run me down, and guess what? They're quite welcome. Because they keep me young. Not saying that I'm doing anything now, you know. Not saying that I'm doing anything, but you know. Between me and you know. Don't tell nobody. Even though we depend on social media. Father, you said what is in the dark when we're revealing the light. So let me tell myself. They say confession is good for the soul. The confession is good for the soul. So I might as well confess my sins now. I might as well. Well, me not tell you when, but recently, and I dead with laugh, recently, you know, because I haven't been doing nothing, and true, my husband been cheating left, right, and center, and I sleep out and the rest of it. You know, me get fed up, and the Spirit of the Lord was not with me that particular night. And me say, let me tell you something. People, you're going to laugh. Drink up, because this is juicy. You can't come off a line. You can't come off of the line. No. Wait for it. Come here. I'm going to tell you in details. I'm going to care where this your ass video go. Because it don't tell me husband the truth. So after your husband is cheating on you for freaking 13 years, in the last 2 years he's been sleeping out left, right, and center. Let me fix the wig. You must get fed up. People, I put on my clothes. I'm going to meet this guy, younger guy, but nice, bow legs, everything, tall, shape, good, everything. And I said, Jesus, forgive me from now, because I have to sample that guy. I got to get a piece of him, mate. I got to get him. And you know what? When I met him, I was looking dry and thirsty. Wig wasn't right. Everything, no makeup, no nothing. But I had faith. I had faith. Because I'm good with talking. And let me tell you, me pour on the champ on the poor guy. The guy asked me for a double. He said, you know what? I thought busy how you look right now, because I know you scrub up well. And you're so funny and entertaining. And I just rope him in. God forgive me, but me have to deliver somebody tonight. Right. So, got talking, dating for a little bit. I said, I'm gonna put on my clothes, because if my husband's going out then screwing for how much years, what? I don't have no tree in my face. I'm in well one piece. Me say it dry. It a big for little company. Me say, Jesus, me I try not to commit no sin, Father, but me can't help it. And this your boy looks so damn good. And let me tell you something. Me and him talk, we conversate, we had a good time. We drunk him up. Papa Jesus! I'm bad, you know. I'm bad. This talk and drink tonight must go viral. Make sure you share it every damn where in the world. It must go viral tonight. This is the best talk and drink. People on a lucky send to check in with me. And let me see who's on here before I give you the juicy bit. Joy, big up yourself. Eric, what are you doing watching me? How you doing, Eric? Have a laugh. I hope you have a drink. Yeah, you could have been one too, you know, Eric. Anyway, so was drinking with this guy, talking with this guy, conversating with this guy, and can't tell you where, but let me tell you. Me send bien in touchdown. Jesus Christ, me dead ya know, me dead ya know, me dead ya know. Me dead ya not drink no more. Me dead ya know. Now sometimes you have to do what you have to do. Fuck that shit. I mean tell you me that I have no regrets. Me say when that boy finish with me and when me finish with that boy. Me say microwave mash up. Plate mash up, tiles mash up, the table mash up. Oh my Jesus! Why? I said I had the fuck of my life and I felt good about it. I didn't feel bloody guilty one bit. I felt damn empowered. You're damn right. And this son of a bitch him what they're home, what cheap me left, right, and center, wondering why is she so happy? Why is she so happy? She's doing the housework, she ain't arguing with me. She seemed too damn happy. He asked me why I'm so happy. And guess what, people? I bloody told him why, because I said, you know what? I got a good grind. Cheers. I saw you fiddle them. I saw you fiddle them. Shit, you're going out there fucking on me for how many years and I've been playing bloody Virgin Mary. Well, guess what? Bloody Virgin Mary ain't no damn virgin no more. How about that? Cheers. Like and share. Like and share. Me definitely gonna put this on YouTube. It must go viral, people. It make this go viral. MSC TV Network coming at you live and direct, talk and drink. You're with your host, Miss Sam. Welcome to my reality show, Keeping It Real. What you see is what you get, baby. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Yes. I know some of you are dying with laugh. Can't believe that Miss Sam is letting the puss out the bag. Yeah. The puss out of the bag. No. Why? I mean, if I tell you, me I dead with laugh myself, me I enjoy myself, me I enjoy the company. Love you all. Thanks for tuning in tonight. On the concert, it wasn't entertained tonight. Tonight was the night from the beginning of the show to the end of the show. And what I'm trying to tell you ladies out there, if a man cheat on you, give him back bun. Give him bun and cheese. You understand? By Jesus. Why this is champion wicked? Yeah, this is champion wicked. Tell you, I'm happy now. You think you guys are having a good time? I'm bloody having a good time. Why? Miss Sam, I feel ourselves tonight ranted. But on a serious note, if you feel that you have the inner talent and you want to act with us, and you're in the following country, or you're a musician, join our network. DM us at our Instagram at MSE TV Network, or call Miss Sam on 407-723-9831 and say, Miss Sam, I'd like to join your network. Yeah, and we're looking for comedians as well. We'll give you your own show and everything. So come on board and join the MSE TV family. We're here for you. Yes, I'm a boss lady, but I'm also a person that's down to earth. I'm firm and stern when I need to be, but there's another time where I just keep it real and let my hair down and try to give people a laugh. And I try to keep people away from their problems. I try to take away some of that pain, some of that hurt, some of that burden. Because you don't know whose mind I'm saving tonight. It could be my bloody own. You understand what I mean? This is as real as it gets, baby. So I hope you guys are going to be a regular fan of Talking Drink, because you never know what you're going to get, because sometimes I talk about politics, sometimes I talk about my own life, sometimes I talk about what's going on in the community, within the world, current affairs, hot topic. You know, there's something I want to talk tonight about, but a lot of people's blogging about it, and I don't think I should even go there. I don't want to spoil the show. I've thoroughly enjoyed everybody's company tonight. Know that Miss Sam loves you. Miss Sam praying for you. Remember social distance. Remember wearing your mask. Okay? And it's up to you if you want to take the vaccination. I'm not taking it. Even though I work in a hospital, I'm not frigging taking it because I don't know what's in it. But if you're going to take the vaccine, I think the Johnson & Johnson is the more safer one. You only need one dose of it. You don't need two. So that's my recommendation. I'm not a doctor. Let me put in a disclaimer. But I'm just saying, or try your natural remedies. Lime water, lemon water, and honey. Salt. Wash your face with salt. You know, salt kills bacteria. Put it up in your nostril when you shower. Take your vitamin C, your vitamin B, A, all the vitamins, zinc, okay? And keep your immune system up. But most of all, pray. Have a one-to-one with God and treat your neighbors like you would have them treat you, because we're living in some serious times and we have to come together as a nation, as a people, as God's children, and uplift each other and support each other and not tear down each other or try to destroy each other. And that's the seriousness of my talk tonight. We've had fun, we've had a joke, I've been wild, but there's a serious side to me. I'm sending you lots of loves and kisses, everybody. My God, the amount of love that I've gotten tonight. So remember what I say. And please show us some love like how you're showing us love on Facebook here. Do go over to our YouTube at MSE TV Network and subscribe and watch some of our comedy and our movies and our blogs and our talk shows and the rest of it. And we're having a couple of other talk shows. We have Woman to Woman, which the women all over the world that is in MSC TV is involved with. And the men got jealous, so by next month we're going to have the man-to-man talk show dealing with men issues, because we can't leave the men. They are our kings and prince. We can't forget about the men. We can't dug out the men all the time, because we can't live without them no matter what we say. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we also have a mental behavioral talk show that I'm going to do, because a lot of you know my background over 26 years is in mental health and behavioral science. We're going to talk about diagnosis, medication, suicide, post-traumatic stress disorder, bipolar, borderline, anxiety, and the rest of it, which I take seriously. So that should help people with coping mechanism. I'm not a a doctor now, but I do have a lot of experience in advocacy and in case management dealing with people, and as a behavioral tech as well, having a one-to-one with people, so I'm able to, deliberate and conversate about even my own mental health, which I haven't been diagnosed with anything, but I'm sure I got a few of those that I mentioned before. Trust me, because of all the shit that I've gone through in my life. But I know how to cope with it. And I want to teach people how to overcome their struggles. And I want to be a part of your journey. You don't have to walk by yourself in this difficult time. MSC TV Network, get to know us because we'll walk with you in this journey. Okay? Kisses, loves. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Download, because you can download and save this Talking Drink, because this one is going in the history books, baby, because I'm going to put this one on YouTube and everything, and I'm going to circle it because it's so funny. So funny. So thank you for all your love and your kisses. God bless you. And if it'll be good, I had so much fun tonight, and it's a Wednesday night. I think I'm going to be back Saturday night doing another one. Take care. Thanks for the support. And God bless. Cheers. Let me knock this back. Knock it back. Knock it back. Woo! You know, I'm getting drunk now because it's getting all over me, down at my breast and everything. I know some of you men would love to lick it off right now, but, lick it through the damn camera. Getting it all over myself. Take care. Bye.